Hello, viewers. Thank you for visiting our channel again. Today, we are going to captivate you with a narrative by telling you a story that is simple, peaceful, and has a little bit of magic sprinkled in it. Join us as we explore the enchanting world of the Cottage Fairy, a YouTuber who takes us on a tour through her mindful and serene way of living. Paula Marielle established the channel known as Cottage Fairy on YouTube on March 21, 2020. Paula offers glimpses into her tranquil world through the artistic vignettes that she creates. This is a world that celebrates beauty, mindfulness, and complete tranquility. Her videos, which highlight the simplicity and minimalism of her lifestyle, are nothing less than hypnotic and captivating. Because of the captivating videos that Paula produces, the channel has attracted approximately 8,000 members in such a short amount of time, which is a tribute to its popularity. Paula Marielle is a Puerto Rican American daydreamer who also describes herself as a self-proclaimed bibliophile. She was born on December 5th, and her brother's name is Rohan. Because she is still relatively inexperienced in filmmaking and photography, her brother now accompanies her when recording her videos. Her mother is from Puerto Rico, while her father served in the Navy and is a native and lifelong resident of the state of Washington. Paula has had an eventful life, having lived in Cuba and Italy and studied literature in Ireland. She is currently in Ireland. Following her graduation from the university, she sought more education in the field of education and is currently employed as a bookshop clerk, a profession that she takes great pleasure in. She is fluent in both English and Spanish, and she enjoys playing board games, with the Everdell board game being her favorite. This game symbolizes her love of animals, so it is fitting that it is her favorite. She was always really passionate about taking care of animals, so when she was a teenager, she had the ambition to study veterinary medicine. But life had other ideas for her, and her artistic abilities led her down a different road than she had originally intended. Paula is an artist, and she finds inspiration and peace in the natural world near her home, which is a cozy house in the countryside of Washington state that she rents. Her paintings and homemade postcards are stunning examples of how deeply she connects with the natural world. She emphasizes her profound connection with the natural world through the use of flowers in her food preparation, including her cooking and baking, as well as her tea and honey. Paula is a proud pet owner as well, and she shares her home with a lovely black Labrador puppy named Eager and a pet bunny who goes by the name Mr. Darcidi. Paula has also disclosed that she is in a committed relationship with a man named Luke, a surveyor who is both caring and supportive. She works as a preschool teacher in the northeastern part of Washington state, and because she enjoys her alone time, she made the decision to try out single life in the cottage before getting married. She makes an effort to keep the ties that bind her to her family strong by paying them frequent visits and making the most of the time they spend together. Paula and Luke intend to transform a barn that is owned by Luke's parents into their future home. Purchasing a house can be difficult owing to its expensive cost, but Paula and Luke plan to remodel the barn instead. Now, let's discuss how much money Paula has made. In addition to running a popular channel on YouTube, she is also employed as a preschool teacher and works part-time as a bookseller, going to the store where she is employed once a week. In addition to that, Paula supplements her income by operating an Etsy business, in which she offers handcrafted cards as well as her own poetry. She hand packages each item, demonstrating her love and commitment to her subscribers through her careful attention to detail and painstaking care. Paula is putting money aside to buy a home of her own, despite the fact that it is impossible to provide an accurate estimate of her earnings, and she is continuing to pursue different streams of income. Our uplifting video presentation comes to an end with that. We sincerely hope that you had fun reading about the Cottage Fairy and how she has inspired us with her charming simplicity. In terms of lifestyle, please let us know what you think about the Cottage Fairy and how she has inspired you by leaving a comment below and telling us what you think. Stay tuned for far more entertaining videos.